Hey guys, thank you so much for choosing my video. If you are investing in mid cap or small stock, you would have seen this segment has been falling in last few days. You could have observed mid cap or small cap mutual funds NAV have been falling recently when COVID-19 pandemic didn't hurt stock market, but BSE circular released on Monday created some panic. BSE circular is about surveillance measure which would impact mid cap or small cap stocks. Hence, these two segments have been falling in last 3 days. In this video, we'll be talking about these things. So let's begin. So the big question is, should you exit this mid cap or small cap stocks now? And if you are investing in mid cap or small cap mutual funds, what should you do? What are surveillance measure of BSE or NSE? Generally, stock exchanges NSE or BSE would put certain stocks under surveillance measures which show usual activities. This is nothing to do about fundamentals, but basically suspicious change in volume or price in short time. There is a list of surveillance measures which stock exchanges adopt, like implementing circuit filter, graded surveillance measure, that is GSM, addition surveillance measure, that is ASM, and lots of more. Now the point to focus on is, what is this new BSE circular on surveillance measure? Currently, BSE has circulated filters, that is upper and lower circuit, for all stocks which would be in the range of 5% to 20%. This is one of the surveillance measures already implemented. However, BSE new rules circular released on Monday states that another circuit add-on price band would be applicable to a larger period. This limit would be based on current circuit limit categorized into weekly, monthly and quarterly. Let's see with an example. A X company is trading rupees 50% and 20% circuit. In current scenario, trade is approx 40 to 60. As per new BSE circular, the add-on price band would apply, which would be these three. You can stop the video and read these following. Are you feeling confused? Let me continue the above example of X company trading at rupees 50 per share. Just see in the following three cases: X stock weekly, X stock monthly, and the third one is X stock quarterly. If you are unable to understand this again, feel free to comment below. That means X stock cannot be traded beyond these boundaries. This would help stock manipulation by stockbroker or trader. You can simply understand this one. I will show you a list of 31 small cap stocks identified by BSE under surveillance measure. New rules applied from 3rd week of August 2021. This list would get updated with addition or removal on periodic basis. Let's focus on list of 31 small stocks identified by BSE under surveillance measure new rules. You can definitely pause the video and keep an eye on all these 31 small cap stocks. Now let's focus on what happens in case mid cap or small cap stocks touches the circuit limit. If someone want to sell, they need to sell that at lower circuit if buyers are there, else they need to wait for the next circuit limit. Once this add-on price band circuit is reached, there would not be any further trades beyond this price. Means your money would be stuck as there are no buyers, even if you want to sell them at lower price. If you are holding any of these stocks and want to sell at market price, there should be buyers, right? If it hits lower circuit, there is no way you can sell them. Another important question that comes here is, should mid cap or small cap stock investor or mutual funds investors need to worry about this new BSE rules? Let's see. Currently, there are 31 list of BSE stocks identified to be the part of new surveillance measure. First, if you are holding any such stocks and want to come out, you may face liquidity issue in coming days. And second, BSE can add or remove stocks from this list based on certain guidelines. If you are investing in other mid cap or small cap stocks, especially macro stocks or penny stocks, there are chances that such stocks come under BSE new rule surveillance measure. If you are holding mid cap or small cap mutual fund, you might see a decline in NAV due to negative sentiment over BSE new circular. Since mid cap and small cap segment is all time high now, there could be profit booking too in coming days. My important tips for you is, if you are a long term investor, you can ignore such negative sentiments. However, if you are looking for profit, it might hurt you. So you need to take a call on this. Fourth, this circular is specific to BSE limited stocks only. Means if such mid cap or small cap stocks is listed on both BSE as well as NSE, these would not come under new BSE circular surveillance guidelines. NSE said there is no such plan to implement for stocks listed on their stock exchange as of now. Hence, if you are investing in mid cap or small cap stocks which are listed on NSE and BSE, there are less chances of your being hurt. If you want an exceptional investment result, you should focus on companies which are outside India also, like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix. These are the companies which can give you high returns. So that's it from the video. Hope you enjoyed the whole video. If you enjoyed the video, please put a like on this video, and I'll be overwhelmed if you would like to subscribe my channel, because your subscription will mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching.